Hello students, welcome to Lucky Gate. This is a question in GATE 2021 from the subject Theory of Computation, asked for 2 marks, and it is a numerical answer type question, so you don't have any negative marks for the question. And now coming to the question, the number of strings of length 8 that are accepted by the given deterministic finite automata. This is a finite automata given. Now we need to find how many strings of length 8 are accepted by this finite automata. So observe the finite automata. Q0 is the starting state, we call initial state. From Q0 on input 0 it moves to Q1, on input 1 it moves to Q2. So means from initial state while reaching to the final state Q5, here we do have a two possibilities. One is with input 0, another is with input 1. Now after we reach to Q1 state we reach with input 0. Now from Q1 state to reach to the final state Q5, again we do have a two possibilities. One is on input 0, it is moving to Q3. Another is on input 1, it is moving to Q4. So means here we do have a two possibilities. Next, we reach to Q2 state on input 1, this one. After reaching to Q2 state to reach to Q5 state, again we do have a two possibilities. One on input 0 it moves to Q3 state, another on input 1 it moves to Q1 state. Means here again we do have a two possibilities, 1 0 1 1 possibilities. Now after you reach to Q3 state, to reach final state we have only one possibilities with input 0 1. So means you reach to Q3 state from the input 0 0 or with the input 1 0. 0 0 or 1 0. After 0 0 or 1 0 we have a possibility of 0 or 1. Now one more possibility. Here you observe we reach to Q4 state on the input 1 1 or on the input 0 1. From Q4 state to reach to the final state we have a path with input 0 1 to the final state after the input either 0 1 or 1 1. After 0 1 or 1 1 we have only one possibility, that is 0 or 1. Now with this what we understand, now this deterministic finite automata is going to accept those set of strings that are starting with 0 1 0 0 1 0 or 1 1. Okay, these are the possibilities. But now I wanted to find how many strings of length 8 that are to be accepted by this deterministic finite automata. Means once after it reaches to Q5 state, here is a self loop with input either 0 or 1. So means with this we got 3 input symbols, so we have to get 5 more inputs. So means 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 for 5 times. Means there should be a repetition in the Q5 state either with input 0 or 1 for 5 times. This is to be same for the remaining possibilities also. Now you observe here these two inputs are fixed and these 6 possibilities can be repeated with the bit combinations of either 0 or 1, so that the number of places are 6 places. In these 6 places 0 or 1 can be repeated alternatively for how many number of times? 2 to the power of 6 times, which is equals to 64 times. And it will be the same situation even for the second possibility whose strings are starting with 0 0, and third possibility whose strings are starting with 1 0, and even for the fourth possibilities whose strings are starting with 1 1. Means for each of the possibility you do have 64 possible strings. So totally 64 plus 64 plus 64 plus 64, there will be 256 possibilities are there. It means the number of strings of length 8 that are accepted by the given deterministic finite automata will be equals to 256. So 256 is the answer for the question. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.